So welcome to my third attempt at the prototype. So what I've done is, from my previous two tests, basically the blade was catching on the spikes, which was a bit of a problem. So what I've done is I've moved several of the ones in the middle, and what I'm hoping is that when the knife drops through, that it's not going to catch. The other thing is, I'm hoping as well that when I noticed that when I was taking it off, that basically it was quite difficult to remove, and a couple of the guys sort of suggested, in my peers anyway, suggested that I have a thing that lifts off the thing, which anyway, that might be something we can do in the future, but I guess for now, we'll give it a go. So anyway, it's nice and clean. I washed it down as well, and it sort of worked really well. So anyway, I guess we start with an onion. Chop the ends off. Okay, that just peel. So nice. The last onion that I cut up was pretty nasty, so this one's actually quite nice. Anyway, we shall give it a go. Okay, the other thing I noticed as well is that when I pushed it on, whilst it goes on nice and easy, which is cool, that's gone pretty well. What I found was that when I cross-cut it that way second, it fell apart. So if I went that way first, it just sort of fell apart. So I'm going to try and cut it crossways first, just to see what happens, and see how we go. So knife slides through really nice, which is cool. Okay, that's the first bit. Now that's done rings really quite nicely. Okay, now the end bits. Awesome. So as you can see, it's diced it up really nicely, and it's a lot easier to get off, which I guess is a win-win. The other thing is too that it's quite fine. I'm wondering if I actually do some cross-cutting, that before I put it on, that how fine I can actually get it. But it's not quite fine enough for sauces, but it's good enough for what I was trying to do. Anyway, I hope you liked it.